everybody, Dan here. I'm going to be showcasing this. Is the tri-strike, but sorry if you catch me saying tri-shot. I just call it that. So this piece right here, it has four thick bullets. When you do that, it shoots out. And this right here, it actually shoots out a missile from right here. And see? Let me go get it. Sorry, there's a wire in between these because, so, take this off, take this off, fuse them together, get a bazooka. Still shoots out. So, they call it the tri-strike, sorry, my throat is sore, I can't talk much. See, this is the first part. Sorry about that. This is the second, and this is the third. The basic part, that's how you cock it. You gotta pull that back, then you pull it back forward. And pretty much it's just a gun, a bazooka, and another gun. And then they decided to make it smaller and divide it into pieces. And then I made a video on this, the Mega Elite Hyperfire. So, you might want to go check it out. Leave a like if you can, maybe even subscribe. Bye guys.